Hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I am Gamion. I will be your game developer for the stream. With me is my cat Mega Kitty, who is currently sleeping and having a good old time. I am a AAA and also indie game developer. That's right, AAA by day and indie by night. I've been working on an online multiplayer soccer brawler called Field of Heroes for the past 3.5 years of my free time, and still working on it this evening. So tonight I want to do a little bit of work on the dungeon level. I want to move some of the UI elements from the field into the top of the screen. So hopefully that'll work out pretty well. I don't know how long I'm going to be streaming tonight. Just kind of felt like doing a little bit. Usually I stream Mondays, but every so often you just got to try something different. So with that, let's go ahead and get started here. I got to remember how to actually do the widget on top of the screen. So let me try and get that started here. Alright, so that's the metagame folder. And let's see. Where did I put the... There it is. Okay, that's where I want to move it. Let's see. Forest. Okay. Now, how do I make that appear on the dungeon? I've kind of forgot how to do this, so bear with me. I think it was a layer. And we'll do dungeon. Oh, really? Okay. Maybe this will work. Yes, here we go. Metagame. Alright, let's see if this appears at the top of the screen now. Alright, looks like that's working. Okay, so I did a image. Oh, okay. Not good. Okay, so let's shrink that a bit. Let's go to 600. Alright, so that's too close, and make them a little bit more narrow. Make him a, let's see, just a bit lower. Okay, that looks better. And it looks like we got some Mega Kitty action. Let's see what she's up to. Uh-oh, what's she doing? Oh, that's so cute. So we'll keep an eye on her. So, let's play this again. I kind of want to put some text above that that reads "Collect the Bones." I'm not sure if I want to do that, but before I do that, I want to get rid of the main nameplate that appears beneath the goal, because we're not going to use that anymore. And I want to move the logic over into the new widget. Okay. Alright. This. Alright, so we're probably going to need to rework this after all. Let's see, we can get health info. So let's start with the utility function get goal. Get team goal. And that is pure const. No, don't do that. Get player state. And get team ID. Do we even need... wait a minute. Oh. Then where did this come from? Oh, okay. That's the gate health. Okay, got it. So we don't need this, we just do this. Or on second thought, let's keep that. So we'll say... and then there we go. Bring that over. Read only. Oh, right. So this can't be const. That's better. Okay, what are utility functions? Health info. Let's get that. Oh, and this also cannot be const. Brush color. Well, this could come in handy, getting widget team ID. Maybe I will make a version of that. Oh, you know what? Oh, I can't use either because this actually has to be assigned a team ID, so get rid of this. We have to assign team 1 and team 2 to these widgets. So we're going to get rid of this. Team ID. Looks good. Okay, this looks good. Utility functions in now. Let's assign our teams. This should be team 1. Oh, no. Well, it's exposed, so... Alright, close it. No, I didn't. Oh, okay. I know what I need to do. Let's gotta make a new widget. So we'll need this. We're going to make this an image. Using this material. That's what I want to see. Let's go ahead and add this. Copy a few more properties over. Oh yeah, and this. Alright, get rid of all this. Alright, and let's see how it looks so far. Alright. Yeah, so far so good. Looking as before. Now we're going to start trying to filling them in with data. Hey, Braxton Wise, welcome. So I'm just doing a impromptu Friday night stream because I want to take most of this weekend off, tomorrow and Sunday, off game development because I'm kind of pushing it pretty hard lately and want to rest up a bit. But before I do, I had a little more energy tonight and I just wanted to do a little bit of what I consider busy work and just get some work out of the way with the metagame for the dungeon. I'm building a... so here's the thing about the metagame of the dungeon. There's a gate that can appear in front of your goal for a limited time. To make it appear, you collect 8 bones from skeletons that spawn around the area, like this guy. So I pick up the bone and there. So I'm moving the interface from below the gate to up here so it's easier to see for everybody. So to do that, I'm just lifting some logic from the old from the old widget to the new widget. Just looking at this. Update health values. We're gonna need the health bar. Oh, we're going to need a widget switcher for that, too. So, in the Unreal Engine, a widget switcher lets you switch between 2 child widgets. So hide this. Bam. Okay, so we got the bones. Now, let's take the health bar, take all this stuff. We're going to paste it here. So, once you've collected all the bones, this health bar will show you how much health your bone gate has before it gets torn down. Let's hold on the pips. Well, let me move the pips around a bit. Oh wait, these are... Is that a canvas? Oh. I was hoping to avoid using a canvas here. Could do spacers. how about we do nothing for now? Health bar value. Now, is this overlay? Okay, it's a pure overlay. Okay, let's leave that. Now that I have those variables in, I can go ahead and see, update the health values. Update health bar, what's that do? Oh, render scales, that's how it works. Alright. Yeah, I wrote this like months and months ago, so I'm just remembering how it all works. Okay, update health values. Now let's copy the health bar. What's the difference? Health bar value. They look like they do about the same thing. Is this even called? Yeah. Ooh, every tick. Oof. Health values. What's that called? Health changed. Ah, is bone gate active? Track that too. Let's get our events here. Health changed, max health changed. Update health values, update health values. Now I'd like to put this event handler in the events group so it's easier to track. Ah, here we go. Handle bone gate count changed. I want to take the bone gate as an input. Yeah, I didn't think that would compile. Yeah, let's take this for out because we don't need that. Okay, now we get our widget switcher involved. What do we call it here? Widget switcher gold bone gate. Yeah, most of the name's good as any. Make sure that's a variable. Check. Okay, we should have our bones image here. Okay, so after all that, let's go back to our event graph and start listening for bone events. So let's take bind events. Actually, this should be under initialization. Okay, so get the health component. Bone count changed. Oh, did I not? Oh. Oh, I do need to have that parameter. Ugh. Very well. Bone gate. Okay. About to start a test. If this works, then we should see the bones start populating in the tree or at the top of the screen. Okay, let's find a skeleton or two, shall we? There's one. Ah, nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Oh, because I didn't call this yet, that's why. There we go. Any other events I ought to be calling? I don't know if I... I don't really know if I need that. This tick here. We'll get back to that. Yeah, there we go. We just killed that skeleton, and now there's a bone up on the top left. Okay, now I know 2 and 2. Also, something I'm just curious about. What if I took out... Is there a post-process volume? Yeah, there is. I wonder if that's the reason why we're... I just want to see something here. Is that the reason why everything's so bright? Whoa. Whoa. I think it is. What if I take it out and I play? Where's the lighting coming from? That is weird. Something is wrong in the post-processing that's causing the effects to be lit like Christmas trees. I'll figure it out, but that's a separate, for a separate night. Okay, so we know the bones are there. I want to speed up the process of getting the bone gates to appear. How do I do that? Ah, here it is. We're just going to make it a flat 1. Just need 1 bone. Okay, looks like the progress bar is working. I don't need that tick function there. See, the bones gate is up, so you can shoot through it, but you can't do anything else. Oh, and they got theirs up now too. And then good, back to normal. Well, great. I'm farther ahead than I expected right now. Now I got to colorize the those bars. How do we do that? Well, let's have a look at this. That is health bar. Yeah, where do I set that? Health bar brush color. What color is that? Oh. That's odd. Should have been something calling that. Huh. It's not even set anywhere. That's odd. Okay. Let's go set... Alright, so another visualization function to set brush colors. And that should happen on startup. And then we're going to get health bar value. Let me make sure I got this straight. Are these both images? Oh, it's a border. It's a border, okay. This is what we want, health bar value. Okay, if this works, then the health bars should be properly colored to the teams. Kind of a cyan. Here we go. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, right. Blue and red. Great. I wonder if I can make these bars a little farther away. Yeah, let's make them a little farther away from the top. Let's do 500. Now this isn't going to be set in stone, it's just to get us by for the next release iteration. I don't know what this is going to look in the end yet. Okay, cool. You know, I kind of like having both there now that I think about it. But no, let's choose one. Let's see. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of the nameplate version now that we don't need it anymore. Oh, wait a minute. Where are my components? Nameplate. Okay, so for a metagame, let's go look at the components we're adding. Spawners, that's good. Metagame AI. Yeah, we don't need this anymore, so let's delete this. And let's see if they show up anymore. No, they're gone. I'm going to keep the classes, though. I may change my mind about using them later. So that's good. I think that's in a good spot. Almost. I want to do one other thing. Nameplate can go. What was this? The dungeon. Go gate. That's done. We'll leave this alone for a second. We can probably add some events. Bow count changed. On phone gate appeared. He's active, then switch this to 1. Okay, and then after that, let's us you know what? I'll move this down a little bit. There, we send this event to tell other parts of the screen that we did an update. Move this. Do that same test. For 0. Then we'll broadcast disappeared. And by the way, for those of you who are fairly new to the stream, I do have a Discord. If you're interested to join, Discord will have you like up-to-the-minute updates on the game, exciting news, and other cool stuff. Even possibly, if you're interested in playtesting, I could definitely use the help with that. Go ahead and jump in and say hello and introduce yourself, and maybe we can play sometime. Alright, so that looks good, that looks good. Now let's capture those events. So now we have them down here. Bone gate appeared and disappeared. So on appeared, we're going to show some text. Let's see. that. And then another one on the other side. Wait, what is the Y here? 32, 32. Let's adjust the alignment here. That's better. Seems a bit off. We'll hide that. And we're going to make this, let's see, text. Alright, let's do the equivalents for the red side. We're going to do it for the other team. Okay, let's see how that looks. See, good. Now it says on the top, bone gate is up. I think I might move it down here. And it should disappear when this is over. Yep, there you go. Oh. Oh, didn't work for red, though. Let's see what happened there. Oh, I didn't connect it. There we go. Now that's fixed. And move them down just a hair. There he is. Move it down a little more. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, well, I want to save those changes, so let's go ahead and, let's see, we do want to save the dungeon, because we made a change, or no, we don't. I think we don't need to save the dungeon level. Dungeon bone gate, no. Bone progress, no, we don't need to save any of those. We're still got to test this, though. make sure this works, and then I'll commit the source control. Then figure out why all the flashiness in the field is like it is. While we wait for the game to come back up, let's have a look at what Mega Kitty's up to. She's doing great. Yep, this is her. She's usually napping between 6 and 9:30. So she may get up not too long from now. Okay, so let's close this. And let's test it without all the hacks to make it work faster. I'm also probably going to publish an updated build tonight for my internal testers. I made a lot of stuff over the past week, well, actually the past 7 days or so. Alright, so look at the bones here. Got the first skeleton. See the bone up there. But actually, I'm not a cat person. I'm also allergic, but I like how long cats live. Wish dogs lived that long. Yep, well, I had hamsters before that, and the hamsters only lived for 3 years. She's 11 years old. She'll be 12 in a few months. And she's doing fine. She still acts like she's 5. She gets the zoomies. And, you know, she's always having a good time. And I give her a fair bit of attention too. She's on the social side of things. She doesn't like to just hide from people all day. All right. You up there. You up there. Whoa, why are you facing up when you're running? That's weird. What's wrong with you? Always find little bugs along the way. Oh, their goal gate is up. Cool. Yep, and ours is up too. I need to have something that you know, reflects that. Maybe like an animation or something to make it look better. But I also don't want it to be. You know what? I want to maybe take project. Oh, he got lucky. Wow, he's scored right when it went down. Wow. I have no words for that. But it works. So let me save that to source control. Okay, so we did, this all looks good. Added, moved dungeon, bone, goal, progress widgets from field, POIs to HUD. Yeah, I've been meaning to do that for a while. Just hadn't gotten around to it. 'Cause so many other bugs. Speaking of which, let me show you what we got in the old bug list here. So currently at 97 bugs, and there was actually one I need to update. UI UX elements. I think it was this one. Oh, ready button. This is, I fixed this. So I'm going to cross this out. Yeah, interfaces clashed a lot of ways. Well, use of the boards, scrolls and boards. Looked like they were handcrafted. Yeah. Health bars and lobby screens look more like a game set in the modern day. I might bring that up with my artists, see if they have any comments on that. We also have artists in here as well. Maybe get some feedback on that. So the player was saying that the art style is inconsistent. So, like, the health bars are modern. The lobby screen, let's see. Oh, well, I can cooldown. Oh, cooldown numbers. That I can probably do. Loading indicator. Cooldown. Okay, so that actually that looks like. Let me split this out. There. So numbers on the cooldown indicators. Let's think about that for a sec. Okay, so numbers on the cooldown. I mean, I'd have to look at how other hero games do that. It's definitely possible. It's just, I don't know. It might get kind of cluttering. They're the only player who complained, by the way. I will have to look at how other games do it and think about that art style. But let me go back to the post-process volume that's causing all the crazy flashing. I want to understand what it is that is causing all the flashiness. Filgrame. Oh, this? Oh, no, that's fine. Alright, see from the top. Bloom? No. Exposure? Oh. Maybe it's the exposure. Yeah, this is a bit much. What kind of lights do we have in here? Oh. Oh, we don't have a... Ooh. So, okay, so it's exposure. Alright. First, let me bug that real quick. Exposure in the dungeon field is causing VFX to be too bright. Or if I can disable exposure for VFX. No, it doesn't help me. Okay, so maybe there's not a way to do it. But if I'm not using auto exposure, then where's the light going to come from? What if I just added a directional light? Well, yeah, the exposure is going to do that. Oh man, that looks a lot worse. No way that's gonna fly. Okay. Alright, well, I'll have to talk to my artist about that one. And let's not save that. I think I might just maybe play a little bit, and then before I move on to other things, let me just take a quick look at the bug list again. Player requested, one of the testers requested that the ability cooldowns are not fast enough, but no other players brought it up, and when you run the numbers, you can use your abilities 10 times per round each. And I think that's a good, fair number because they have a lot of impact. So with this one, I'm just going to say I'm not going to fix that. Now, if a lot of players, testers in the future do complain, then I'll maybe give it a second look. Let's see. Place how many abilities... Oh, I did that. Place how many abilities fully recharged. But I'll test that in this match. Okay, let me switch it up to game audio so you hear what I hear. Oh, nice. Oof, get out of there. Oof. How do you get stuck back there? Oh. Didn't get there in time, did ya? I want to test this, make sure this still works. Okay. Oh, easy go. Oh, almost blew that up. Whoa, what's that about? He's hung up on the Geo there. Okay, I'm gonna make a change here. That I'm not hearing the recharge sounds. So let me look that up real quick. Cooldown. Yeah, these need to be louder. Well, heck, let's do that. 7.75. Oh. Oh. Well, that was... He had no reason to miss that one. Let me take this one. Just make it 0.7. This one is 0.65. That'll be the wizard. Oh yeah! That was a great run. I'm gonna, let's see, I think the dash sounds good. I'm gonna change this one to a sword unsheathing. Don't think I like this one very much for cooldown expiration. And it sounded better a few days ago. It doesn't sound good at all. I think I need a sword sheathing for this. So I'll deal with that. Make a note about that in the bug tasks. Change ability cooldown completion sound to sword sheathing. And that should be an easy knockout. Oh, hey. It destroyed my summary. Make the replace the ability cooldown sound with a sword unsheathing. And we'll see how that flies. Okay, other than that, there's a bug with the goalkeepers not properly guarding against goals from other AI. So I need to fix that before I make a deployment. Oof. Yeah, see, the AI was trying to score to the other AI. Like, the goalkeeper just stood there. Yeah, look at that. He waited until the ball was kicked. He didn't do any forward motions before that. So that needs to be looked at. Wow, what a mess. He ain't going that way. Hey, you're supposed to be anticipating my aiming. It might... Oh. His zone probably isn't big enough. Maybe that's the other problem. He should be... Yeah, like when I'm here, he should be coming after me. So I'll need to look into that too. I need to increase the goalkeeper's zone. So there's really two problems to fix. Oh. Oh! Nice one. Oh. Okay. So, what can I do about some of these bugs that I've been seeing during the gameplay? Well, the first thing I can do is see how Mega Kitty's doing. Clearly she's doing fine. Right. And just a reminder, if anyone is interested in helping playtest or just kind of hang out with the crowd and kind of get up to the minute updates in development, I have the Discord link earlier in chat. If you don't see it, I will post it again for you. So go ahead and stop by, take a load off, maybe share some memes, and keep an eye out for new developments here. So we're going to look at the match, the hero spawner component. And let's look for home zone generation. Here we go. So, how deep is the goalie looking for opponents? Forward extent. Okay, that's good. And right times 2. I wish I knew where that times 2 came from. Okay, so... Oh, his home zone ends there? Oof. That's much too close to the goal. He wouldn't respond to goals unless... Let's get a top perspective here. Yeah, he wouldn't respond to goals... let's see. Yeah, here... Now, he's got to be, like... At least after this tree minimum. Maybe more than that. I also want to double that. Let's try that. Let's double it. And while that's building, it's just kind of a wait for that. And we'll just see what Mega Kitty's up to during the build. We'll get to these cooldowns later. Gotta find sound. I'm gonna find new sound for both of them. Actually, I don't like the current ones. Okay, let's pause it for a moment, and let's see if our new zones take an effect. See, honestly, it's kind of hard to tell. Oh yeah, what was it? Ending like right here? I think it was about 800 or so. Now it's not even fully past the tree yet. But I mean, I doubled it. So, oh, Meg Kitty, what's going on, Meg Kitty? It's about that time for her to wake up, I think. Well, we'll get back to her momentarily. I want to see how this looks. Like, I want to see when they start chasing me when I go after the, when I get near the goal. Oof. Oh, he's still not reacting. Maybe that's not the problem. I'll move it back. Just kind of standing there. I want to see, like, when he's on my screen, I want him like anticipating everything I'm doing, and he's just not doing that. So I want to understand what's going on in their head. And to do that, I'm going to literally print on the screen what it is that they're thinking. There. So do that first. And then, what was the other thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta bring up the behavior tree. Alright, I'm gonna have that on the left, on my other monitor for the moment while I figure this out. So he's controller 0, that must mean 4. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna be watching his tree. Okay, I got the ball. Yeah, so I'm here. I'm still not in his home zone? Let me have a look. So I'm standing right there. He ought to start reacting, but should we be pursuing the ball or ball possessor? Maybe this is a problem. because I'm probably not in his zone. Okay, so yeah, he should be pursuing it, but he's not. Is he getting over here? Oh, he's not even getting over there, though. No, this is returning false. Oh. Nope, wrong guy. Should be 4. Okay, alright, so he's not... Okay, so it's not in his home zone. Alright, so that settles that. But... Look at this again. Right extent. See more times distance. That's 400. 400 from in front of his position. $400. Wow. So what does that 400 mean? That means we need an idea of what 400 is. Like this is 400. This is 4 meters. This is 400 centimeters. That's like almost nil coverage. We want let's see, starting from his... Let me look at this again. Let's find a better value for that. So location is going to be... his current location. It's going to be 400 in either direction. Alright, let me, so that's 400, so let's do, so he's actually standing about here, so that's really about far as it's going to go. We want to do 800, yeah, is about where we were before. Maybe multiply it by 3. Let's see, 400. And double that. 1200. we'll do 5 multiplier. See how that gets us. So that should definitely get him waking up at least. So when I'm starting to get near, then he should start chasing me instead of waiting until I'm practically there. I'll make he went back to sleep. I had such high hopes for her, waking up and getting out and stretching her legs. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I'm going to bring up the behavior tree again. I'm going to keep an eye on it to see when they start chasing someone in their territory. And it's going to lag a little bit here. Oh, no, you don't. Good hustle. Oh, I missed. Whoa. Now let's, come on, he's not reacting. Alright, I'm gonna make this testing go smoother. I'm gonna make myself invincible. Then I'm gonna get the ball. Or we could just let them score a goal. Okay, I'm watching this tree. Yeah, he's still not... Okay, here we go. He is still... Hey, how do you take the ball? Thank you. Huh. Yeah, he's still pretty close. I need to really bump that number up a bit. Yeah, come on. There's it. That's it. That's better. But still gotta do it from farther away. See how he's trying to... Look at this. See how he's aiming, like, trying to run to where my cursor is? Okay, so that's good. Oh, no, you don't. Yeah, he needs more range. Let's give it, what did I have? 5? Let's give it 8. That's a pretty big number. He's got a lot of big territory. Hey, Ren found Serenity. It's coming along pretty good. I did a lot of work this past 7 days, and I'm probably gonna take tomorrow and Sunday off and relax a bit. But I want to get a little something done this evening. So making good progress, I'd say. It still looks like it's going to be early next year. There's still a lot of work left to do. But, you know, it's one day at a time. Okay, so let's try this again. So if this works, then the goalkeeper should respond sooner when I'm farther away from the goal than they were before. So there's a bug where the goalkeeper pretty much just watches me come at them with the ball and doesn't do anything until I'm like really close. So I'm fixing that now. This is a bug that has been in the game for quite a while, I'd say. Just a guess. All right. Get through that part. Pass me the ball, please. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now he's already planning. Now he's, see, look at that. That's the right distance, I think. See, he's trying to anticipate my move now. And I used to have to stand like right here, and now I can be over here. So I'd say that's a fix. Oh, almost had him. Yeah. There we go. That's better. He's making it harder on me. Good block. Now the other bug is, yeah. Oh. Yeah, he needs to not do that when he's a goalie. So let me get that fix committed. But yeah, his using his powers as a goalie, that's a separate issue I want to deal with. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these two. Actually, I'm gonna undo those. Oh, all right. So we'll say goalie now responds to heroes. Oh, goalkeeper are farther away. Yeah, that's definitely a good fix. Good search. And then the problem now is the goalkeepers don't really guard against AI's scoring. Now you saw them guard against me scoring, but when it's another AI, they just stand there until the ball's kicked. And I want to fix that. So, there is, let's see, where's my new, stop the ball from entering the goal. Okay. Here's the node for defending. All right. Calculate move location. So, this function, this web of lines and boxes and all that, that is, this teaches this tells the AI how to stop me from scoring a goal, but it doesn't really work for other AI. So let's look into that. Get the target's direction or aiming direction. Okay. So it's starting by trying to get. This is what happens when I try to kick. And then no velocity. Velocity. Okay, so it looks at their velocity. Actually, wait a minute. I wonder, is it really doing that? I'm going to let the AI spectate. Hey, I said spectate. Okay, the spectate button's broken. Oh, this is probably what the problem is. Match player state set. Team ID. No, team statics. I guess we want this. Oh, I can't. I thought I'd reset the teams. I wonder if I do this somewhere else. Huh. Wonder where did I broke this somehow? Well, I guess it doesn't matter because it's a single player anyway, so should work. It should work. There we go. Yeah, let me put that fix upstream. Okay, so we got the AI play itself, and I'm going to keep an eye out for this happening. Okay, here we go. So now, this is the goalkeeper trying to defend goal. Oh, they do have a valid locus. Well, what is it? Actually, I know. I'm going to draw... Okay, because I really want to know where it is. I want to know where it is here. Alright, let's see that again. Oop, didn't want that. Oh, okay. So locus is pointing to the goal. Okay, so that's why he's never moving. Nice. I think what I'm gonna do... Calculate move. So I'll look at something real quick. Oh, this wouldn't have worked. Okay. So calculate move location, target or aiming direction. Oh, Meg Kitty got up, I missed it. Alpha. Rejected. Or control pawn. Local target. Say or is actor AI possessed? AI controlled. I wonder if Unreal has a function for this. Is bot controlled? Oh, well, that's easy. Well, I'm going to rename it the same. Almost. Okay, so what this change does is it makes it so if it's a bot, then it's going to try to match his position on the field. I'll show you what I mean, if it works. Wow, just stood there, let it right in. I can't believe it. And it didn't work. I don't think that worked. Okay, that worked. Okay, yeah, he's trying to... Oh, maybe he's not doing it. He should be doing this sooner, though. Do that. Try that later. That was a mess. Okay, here we go. Local target. That's good. Team goal. Whoa, now that he's bot controlled. That's wrong. Huh. Cast a pawn. Let me see that again. Oh. Here we go. Test actor's pawn. That's correct. But it is bot controlled. How's it thinking that? Oh, that's not really. That's not gonna work if it has no player state. This should test if player state's null, and yeah, this is buggy Unreal code, I think. See, Unreal lets you not have player states for bots because we don't need them. So I'm going to do a different test. Yeah, this. Oh, get AI controller. Oh, I can just control the actor. Oh, I don't even need this function then. Great. I'll just call it from here. All right, let's try that again. I like that skirmish. Here we go. That's what I want to see. So you're going to use target projection location, which is done through a goal plane projection. So he should be following the hero. Oh, that was actually pretty smart. I would rather he not use his power so I could test it better, but that works. Yeah, see, now he's following. That's what I want to see. Yeah, that's it. That's proper defense right there. Now let's see the other goal you anticipate. Ouch. Yeah, see how he's in the northern part of the goal there? Well, look at that. Oh! Come on, guy. Come on, let's see if you can score. Come on. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's it. That's good. Oh, good catch. Nice. That's what I want to see. I think it works. I gotta make it now. A code comment about this. If the opponent is a bot, meaning the locus will always point to the center of the goal, or if the long distance intersection fails, use the projected point on the goal. Alright, so that is much better. We're going to commit that. Alright, let's commit that. These two remain unchanged. Yeah. Fixed, but let's see. When a goalkeeper encounters an AI possessor, it no longer incorrectly uses the locus to determine where the ball will be kicked instead. And we'll go possessor's projected location. Location based on projection from the goal plane. Okay. All right, that's a good fix. And wow, it's been 2 hours already. Geez. So it's getting pretty late where I am. I gotta go shopping early morning and got a few other chores I need to do. So sadly I'm gonna have to raid you all off. But before I do, again, don't forget to join the Discord if you want to go to the after party, as it were, on Discord. And you can kind of see some screenshots and other things that you won't see on social media right away. And I'm going to find a developer to raid us off to, another fellow game developer, because there are many of them. Let's see. He's playing Battlefield. We're going to raid Dungeon Man. He's making a kind of an old school... last I looked, it was kind of more of an old school run and gun, which looked like a lot of fun. So we're going to go ahead and say hi to him. Let's go ahead and raid off to Dungeon Mans. So thanks everyone for coming this evening. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate any support that I can get right now. It's very difficult to get games noticed, extremely difficult, and I'll get any edge I can take. And if you ever want to talk, game development, I am a AAA developer and an indie, so I can probably cover a bit of territory for you. So anyway, I will be back Monday about 7 Central, and I hope to see you then on Monday.